guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is definitely a video I don't really want to do, but I'm doing it for you guys because I guess we all want to know. As you guys saw by the title, we're gonna discuss how much it costs roughly for a bodybuilding competition. Yes. So if you guys are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is YALL Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys. And if you're returning, thank you guys for coming back and clicking and being part of the fam. I appreciate it. So if you guys would be amazing and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell on when I upload next so you don't miss an episode of my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. To start this video, I'm not like super under the weather. I'm just like, my kid was a little bit snotty, so now I'm a little bit snotty, but I apologize if it's awful in the ears. I apologize. It was funny because I had to go back. I was talking to a friend and I was talking about posing. I had to look back and figure out, oh, when did I start posing with this girl? So I looked back and I was looking back, and so I did it at 9 weeks out. Okay, so first things first is bodybuilding. What is it? I was gonna say mentally, like financially, yes, this is the finance part, but you have to mentally be prepared to financially want to spend money, and money that you're like, oh. So there's that. So first things first is a coach. You need a coach. You need a coach who knows the you need somebody who you can like jive with, you know, like they can have the most amazing, they can be book smart, you know, all the stuff, but I mean, if you're not jiving with them, like they need to know their stuff. So again, they need to be book smart, they need to be certified, they need all the things. They need to have the experience, and honestly, I hate to say this, but if they haven't done a show before in their life, how are they gonna help you? You know what I mean? So there's that. People range from like $200 and up. And that's, I don't even know if that's bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks, or it's monthly. But I roughly paid, oh my God, I don't even want to deal with this. I don't even know what I was doing. So I roughly spent $200 a month, and it was 4 months. So that was roughly $800. So right there, my coaching, or sorry, it's like 208. So 208 times 4, so 832. So $832 for 4 months of coaching. And that's coaching that, again, it's monthly. And he was around, he would text me, we would check in, we would talk, do monthly assessments, and figure out like what's good for me kind of thing. So, which is great. So there's that. So that's one thing. Secondly, I don't know if people, like he provided the meal plans for me. So I don't know if that's like, if coaches do that separate, but he included that with me. So I knew he knew exactly what I was eating, how much I was eating, all the things that was going into my body to produce the results. When it comes to food, it can vary. Honestly, in the beginning, you are eating a lot. And then near the end, you're not eating a lot. You're drinking a lot, all the things, all the calories are up, and then we bring it back down. So again, it's kind of like that, we don't know. So that's a big question mark. Only for the simple fact that, again, food is just all over the place. So we don't know, like chicken 1 week can be like $30 and then can go to $20, right? So again, you have to account for the food you're going to be eating, and it's a lot. So if you think about it, 4 ounces of chicken, 175 grams or whatever the conversion is a day. How many chicken breasts do you get? 10 a week. So if you're eating 7 days a week, you know what I mean? Okay. Next is for the women. Again, this is only for women. I'm not talking for the men. Is the suit. Your suit. You need a suit. Doesn't matter what kind of suit you want. You need a suit. My suit cost me $600 because I ended up getting a ring, and it was the rhinestone connectors, I think, or something like that. But it ended up being $600. So again, lots of bling, lots of shine. It can vary. Again, you can rent a suit. I believe you can rent it. I don't know if there's renting. I mean, I should have looked into it, but I honestly, you can rent a suit and then give it back. I don't know the protocol on that, but I know that if you're, I don't know, I don't really want to wear somebody else's suit. It's tailored to them. You get a suit, it's tailored to you. So tailored to the way that you like it, you want it, all the things. whatever. I know a friend of mine who rented 2 times and then she eventually got her own, but all good. So your suit can range from $600 to $1,000. I have seen $1,000 suit, and it was insane. Like bling out everywhere. Shoes. My shoes cost me $150 Canadian. They are the Olympias 2.0 with the strap. Some Olympias don't have the strap. You can get a discount code, 10%. I got one when I just signed up. I got 10% off, so whatever that was. I did have a backup pair just for the simple fact that just in case for the beginning, but they were really high. You can get high heels, but I feel like the heels shouldn't be more than 4 inches. That's like way too high. And then practice in them and make sure you do all the things. So posing. Posing can range from $100 a session to like $45. And I only say that because when I did my posing was $75 an hour, and I did that. So I'm gonna go back to my calendar. So I did 7 sessions at $75 an hour. 7 times 75. 7 times 75 is $526. Disgusting. And then I had 2 sessions, I believe, that were 45. So 45 times 2 is 90. So that's how much I spent on posing. And then the posing that you do in yourself. So there's that. We forgot to mention supplements. Supplements are a huge ordeal. Again, depending on if you are natural or if you're not. But that's gonna cost you some money. Protein powders, greens, glutamine, pre-workout, creatine, like all the vitamins and minerals, that's gonna add up because you need to take those into effect. So again, I'm a Popeyes brand ambassador, so a supplements brand ambassador, and having that with me or like through this first prep was really great because when I ran out, I quickly went to the store and got the stuff I needed. So that's really important, as well as massages and just taking care of your mental health. Like I would get massages every 4 weeks, almost every month, because your body's just going through so much. So having a massage, I mean, if you have, like with me at the gym, there is a massage chair that comes in with your membership. That's amazing. Or if you're able to get, like I have one of those Theraguns, if you're able to buy one of those, that's always great for you guys. There's a kettle going in the back. It's really not necessary, but you could get like a DEXA scan. You might need some blood work. I know here in Canada, we don't have to pay for any of that stuff. I got a keto rash, so I had to get some, cream, but it wasn't really necessary. It was just the food I was eating. And then your jewelry can roughly get you to, the ring I bought was $20. Love the ring. Earrings, it was a gift from my mom. So she bought earrings for me from Claire's. I believe they were $20. Karina gave me one. Is she watching this? I'm not giving it back. Bracelet for free, and then another $20, and then I had some rings. Yes, and that was it. There's that. Hair and makeup. I didn't do hair and makeup. I did buy hair, so I bought extensions for $70. I did get them done, so that was $40 to get them put in like nicely and stuff. And then makeup, I don't know, can range from $100 to $50. And then, but again, I did my own makeup. The tan, crazy. It was $180, like $90 and then another $90. So you paid up front, which again was kind of dumb. Like, why didn't we pay it all up front? And then, like, you know what I mean? Like, why did I get there? And I was like, okay. So I had to wait to e-transfer because I was like, I don't know. Anyways, whatever. So then we got that. That's a big chunk of it. And then just things in general. Like, you could get a practice suit. My practice suit was $90. I forgot to say that. But just the gym clothes you're buying, because you can't really go out. I mean, you can go out. You're buying more clothing than anything. Oh, like the treats and stuff. Like, you buy your treats, like I bought pie, and you buy cookies and all the things. There's that. you know, celebration dinners and stuff. The bodybuilding show itself is $150. That's just to get in to register and become part of the CPA, Canadian Physique Alliance, is $150. And then your categories, right? So each category was roughly $100, so $300 right there. I was in 3 of them, so the more categories you do, again, you kind of gotta want to make it worth it. If it's worth it just to do one category, okay, do all this prep for just one time on stage. You know, I wanted 3, I wanted lots, right? So, and especially in the morning and night, if you want to do both and you wait, all the things, that's not really like it's for bodybuilding, but it kind of is. I mean, again, you're gonna buy clothes that are like eventually gonna be small on you, like weightlifting belts, like if you didn't have that already, stuff like that, little knickknacks here and there. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty much it, because you got spray tan hair, jewelry, all the things. Some people like to invest in like blankets, like as in like a heated blanket or something like that, because you're always cold because you're so thin skin. And if I think anything while I'm editing this, I'll add it in. Hopefully that gives you some insight on a bodybuilding show. It's really very, very expensive. It's definitely not cheap, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. It's the pride and joy that you do the hard work and you get to show it on stage. Hopefully that provided you guys some insight. I would love it if you guys subscribed, thumbs up this video, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. And I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.